Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day, but now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction?
So I've just received my new portable air conditioner, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to set up. Basically, I've received my device, my portable air conditioner, which is that one there. I've received my pipe, which I guess is going to go onto the back there, and I received my window vent. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up. I've already given it a once over. I've tried to set it up before, and it was really simple. Usually the hose here, it usually comes in pieces. In my previous two portable air conditioners, my hose came in pieces, so I had to put it together and figure it out. There were instructions and whatnot. But with this one, it's just two pieces. So let me show you guys how easy it is, right? It's absolutely amazing. So, okay, I'm gonna try and do this. That just took a couple of seconds. So this obviously extends, as far as you want it to extend, and then this part will attach to the window vent here. I'm currently in my kitchen because I'm going to assemble this upstairs in a bedroom, but I just wanted to demonstrate how easy it is. So I'm just going to attach that to the window vent. So yeah, just creating the hole here, and as easy as that. So yeah, I'm going to extend this. I'm just doing this by myself, and it's a little bit difficult, so just bear with me. Like that, you see, I've assembled the whole thing holding a phone, one hand, simple. So I just wanted to show everyone that. I'm really happy with it. Can't wait to start using it. Yeah, go and buy one.